Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun in solar system. It is located about 58 million kilometers away from the Sun. Due to this lower distance, Mercury has become the planet taking least time to complete one rotation around Sun. It only takes 88 days for Mercury to complete one rotation around Sun. Another interesting fact regarding Mercury is that it takes 58.6 days to complete one rotation around itself. So the duration of a day in Mercury equals to 58.6 days in Earth. According to those values, 1 year in Mercury equals to about 1.5 of Mercury days. The temperature of the side of Mercury, directed towards the Sun, is about 450 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the other side of Mercury is about -170 degrees Celsius. Difference of those temperatures in Mercury is about 600 degrees Celsius. This is the highest range of temperatures between daytime and nighttime which is reported among all the planets in the Solar System. Absence of an atmosphere is the reason for such a high temperature difference in opposite sides of Mercury. Due to the absence of an atmosphere, significant amount of heat is retained in Mercury. With compared to Mercury, the temperature difference between daytime and nighttime in the Earth takes only few degrees Celsius. Now let's think about the daytime of Mercury. You may think that liquid water or ice cannot be existed there, due to the higher temperature. Scientists have recently found that ice is deposited in the lower regions of craters located on the surface of Mercury. Such craters containing ice are located in northern and southern poles of Mercury. So we cannot ignore the fact that there may be ice in exoplanets which are located closer to their star. Next, we consider about the size of Mercury. It is the smallest planet of the Solar System. Diameter of Mercury is about 4,800 kilometers. It is slightly higher than the size of our Moon. Mercury is the second most dense planet of the Solar System. Earth is the planet with highest density of the Solar System. Large metallic core of Mercury is responsible for its higher density. Recent calculations have found that the diameter of this metallic core is about 3,600 to 3,800 kilometers. Diameter of this metallic core covers about 75% out of the total diameter of Mercury. Therefore, the outer surface of Mercury takes about 500 to 600 kilometers. Therefore, Mercury can be considered as a single tectonic plate located on a metallic core. Another interesting fact regarding Mercury is that its size is gradually decreasing. Gradual constriction of the metallic core while heating is responsible for that. Lot of geological changes occur on the surface of Mercury due to this constriction of metallic core. Such changes include formation of mountains and canyons. It resembles to formation of relative higher and lower areas occurs when crushing a page. Scientists call this phenomenon as surface crumpling. Height of highest top of those mountains is 4.48 kilometers and the maximum depth of a canyon is 5.38 kilometers. Next, when we look at the surface of Mercury, anybody get the idea that it is full of craters? What is the reason for such large number of craters on its surface? As Mercury does not have an atmosphere, all the meteors collide with its surface without any burning. With compared to this, almost all the meteors coming towards Earth are burned in the atmosphere. Here you can see one of the largest crater on Mercury is known as Calori's Basin. Diameter of this crater is about 1,550 kilometers. Scientists have estimated that this crater has been formed about 4 billion years ago due to a collision with a meteor with a diameter about 100 kilometers. Up to now only 2 space missions have been launched to explore Mercury. Those spaceships are Mariner 10 during 1970s and Messenger during 2011 to 2015. With compared to Mercury, 49 space missions have been launched so far for exploring Mars. Can you guess why scientists have paid less attention for exploring Mercury? Put your idea in the comment section. However, one space mission is currently launched for exploring Mercury. That mission is called as Bepi Colombo, which was launched in 2018. Around 2025, it will start exploring the Mercury.